There is a significant difference between being an investor and being a successful investor. A successful investor understands the market, and they know the right time to take action. Over time, most people complain about not enjoying a good return from their investment. What could be the problem? Find out the details from this video. Those who are great at investing are doing things differently. Today, we shall be discussing some of the things they do differently that make them successful. Keep calm and watch till the end. This will give you access to a bonus secret to help you when investing. These are the secrets. Keep in mind that investing is like a game in which you need to calculate your risk and measure your return to succeed. Number 1. Don't start until you have a financial plan. Creating a detailed financial plan is the foundation of every successful investment story. The financial plan helps you to have a defined goal. It provides you with practical solutions when you are faced with challenges. Investing is a long-term journey, and there is a need for a guide that will control how you spend your income. It won't be easy to manage your money correctly without having a plan. Most people assume that they can proceed to invest even when they don't have a financial plan. This is the first wrong step that leads to failure. Please keep in mind that before you multiply your income, you need to have a written document of your current net income and how you plan to diversify it. Number 2. Be consistent with your plan. Investment is not a walk in the park. There are times that the market will look unfriendly, and it will be difficult for you to think straight. The value of what you invest will fall right before your eyes. During this period, one of the best actions to take is sticking to your initial plan. Successful investors don't run halter skaters when the financial market is down. Instead, they maintain their stand because they know the goal is to hold on for a long time. A financial crisis is not avoidable, it is going to happen. However, you don't need to get anxious, don't give room for panic. Volatility is a characteristic of what the financial market looks like. But to achieve your financial goals, stick to your initial plan and observe the market trend. Number 3. Practice diversification. The basic foundation for building a wealth creation lifestyle is to have a diverse portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio requires you to own various stocks and other assets. This is another method of surviving the volatility of the financial market. If you find it challenging to come up with a perfect investment mix, you can seek assistance from a professional. This does not mean that you won't encounter challenges, but it makes it easier to survive in terms of difficulty. The best benefit of diversifying one's portfolio is that it helps to minimize risk. If you want to be a successful investor, learn to bet on different investment options. This is because when it comes to who will win the race, no one is 100% sure. Number 4. Learn to save up. Many investors are often trapped in the ups and downs of the financial market that they end up spending with nothing to show for it. You cannot put all your present earnings away for the future. It would help if you had some savings. In terms of emergency, it isn't easy to access your investment. However, you can easily make a withdrawal from your savings with no risk incurred. When you have a savings account, you don't need to sell your investment at the wrong time with the excuse of taking care of an emergency. Investment is not for such situations, it is meant to build wealth, while savings can help you in times of trouble. Number 5. Seek knowledge. To succeed in a game, you need to understand how the game is played. The financial market is broad, and you need to seek knowledge. You can help yourself by reading books or taking a professional course to broaden your knowledge. It is only when you take courses that you will understand how to optimize your portfolio. Investing is practical. When you have the theoretical information, the application is a step easier. Once you have learned how the big investors play the game, you can proceed to have a rule that works best for you. If you fail to get the required knowledge, you will be investing in a market that you don't understand. Knowledge is power, and one of the most famous investors, Warren Buffett, once said, it is better not to invest in a business you have no understanding of its function. Here is an appreciative gift for your time. Bonus point. Number 6. Have an investment strategy. How successful you become will finally be determined by your investment strategy. All successful investors have a strategy. Bear in mind that you have the potential to help yourself. This is because you know yourself better than anyone existing. No one understands your situation better than you. Therefore, design a model or a strategy that suits you. In conclusion, when it comes to investing, you need to watch and learn. Don't take any action that you will regret in the long run. Don't invest in a business because your colleagues at work are doing so. With your strategy and plan in place, you should invest in a business model that you perfectly understand its activities and function. Finally, if you have 10 eggs, don't put them in a single basket, learn to diversify. Successful investors always have a backup plan for what-ifs. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our page. Like and share this video. If you have a suggestion or question, don't forget to do so in the section below. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay very motivated.